this video, I'll show you how you can download the Roblox Studio on your PC or laptop. First, what you want to do is head over to roblox.com and from in here, log into your account. After that, what you want to do is click on Create and you'll come over to the Creators Hub. Now in here, what you want to do is there should be a big button right here that either says Download or Launch the Studio. Now click on Launch Studio and click Open Roblox. Now when this pops up, it's gonna install the Roblox Studio and then you just have to wait until it's done installing. If there's a download button instead, just click on that and it's gonna come up here under your downloads and you're gonna open that one and this one will open as well. Now simply wait for this one to be done downloading, and as soon as it's done, it's gonna show you where you can log into your account and head over to the Roblox Studio. So let's give this a few minutes and then I'll be back. As you can see now that it's completely downloaded, I'm logged into my account and I have Roblox Studio opened. If I come down here to Roblox, you'll see I can find the Roblox Studio, and that's basically how it works. So it's really simple, guys. Just head over to your Roblox, press create to come to the create.roblox.com website, click on Launch Studio or Download Studio if you have that option, and then it's gonna download Roblox Studio. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.